Poor guy, never stood a chance. Ew. Just likes to hold him there for a while. And then he kills him and eats him. You got two? Oh, oh, you got that one. That's pretty good. Deer flies. Oh yes, you got those two, huh? Ew. You gonna eat him? There you go. Get him. There you go. Ew! Nice. Nice. Oh, blood. Ew. Now, some of y'all asked if I could just throw the chicken on top of her. I guess I can try. I don't really see a lot of horseflies right this second. The only problem is she flicks her tail a lot. So I bet he'll jump off. But here we go. I'll try.